morning, everyone. Today we are debate on reservation. I am Astha Singh from Saraswati Shishu Mandir, and my name is Deepika Singh, and he is Hariom, and she is Shreya, and we are going to do a debate competition. Topic reservation, and we are in favor of the reservation, and we are against the reservation. This is my team. Pragati, and she is Srishti Tripathi. Firstly, I would thank Vishal sir to giving this opportunity to debate on reservation.
Why we are need? Why we do not need reservation? First question.
Because the system of discrimination was end. Now everyone is equal. First of all, I want to tell that in the fundamental right, equality is our right. Then why every caste is not equal in reservation?
Equality is and opportunity. Read clearly. Equality and opportunity. We are equal in a society, but all members not give a equal opportunity. So reservation is a provide a equal opportunity for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes.
But in this time, everyone is equal.
How can say
Everyone
that?
is not
You are.
equal. How can you say that?
How can
How
say
can you say
that?
that?
You look at
Just give an example.
rural areas. All people is not rich. You can see the rural areas. How can say that
rural
equal
areas,
are in a
They
society?
still believe in untouchability.
But the constitution say that everyone is equal.
A constitution also say that giving the all members have a opportunity, equal opportunity.
Equal opportunity.
Yes, equal opportunity. You can see in a very scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the previous many years. This praised higher caste to lower caste. So this
In ancient time.
in ancient time, but in previous time you see rural area today also praise the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe is local caste. How can
You are equality. So what about the general people faced in exam like you in UPSC? The after interview for result, the general candidate should be in the All India overrank under 1000. But for ST and SC, the candidate should be under 100. So there is no inequality here. So you all talk about equality. Then what about general people?
about general people? He has a they has a you can say have a medium to study and also is a rich, but you can see the scheduled caste and scheduled type. He is not a medium. He is not a fee. You also know UPSC fee is very high, but he is belonging to the lower caste and poor family. So this have give the opportunity and reservation for this reason give the reservation to study equality in a society and give the opportunity to equal in a society.
But government provide basic needs to all the individuals in the country.
But only basic need does not depend developing country. Developing country is a
Basic needs is not enough to give everyone. They need that special need, that special
It's
advantage,
up-
because they have to grow up more. If you will see the census report of today, not today, before 10 years, you will see that still people behave like that, how they used to behave earlier. They practice untouchability. They still, if they find that the person is from SC or ST caste, they still behave like he is from SC or ST. We shouldn't be in touch of him or her.
today also
But it is in ancient time, not now.
Not now.
It's
You-
still in rural areas.
in rural
people behave
areas
like
today
that.
we are also going to rural area and see this untouchability as today untouchability.
If you are
area is happening.
Yes.
if you are asking for that dissolution of reservation, first casteism should also be needed to be ended.
So for this, firstly we have to change the mindset of people.
What
Not we have to give the reservation for ST
And
and
what
SC.
about the struggling of general student? Tell me.
Okay.
SCSC
Listen,
also
listen.
is
The
struggling
The
past.
cutoff of
That's why they are
general
struggling
students are
now.
very high. In UPSC, 80% of general and SC/ST 45% to 50%,
Reser-
and OBC 65%. General 80% or SC/ST 60%. What about that?
But reservation is not only for education. Reservation is all for. What about your reservation, women's reservation in the election? What are your thoughts?
It is only given at the local level, not at the central and state level. You have to know this.
I have also know that, but you are not think to give the opportunity and equality and reservation in a women's election parliament session में.
There is no any reservation in the parliament session for women.
So you are not knowing to.
It will apply in 2029, but still it is not
So you
reserved.
can wait for it. Means
You-
it has time.
You not listen. You not want to give this reservation to women in parliament.
We want reservation in parliament for women.
You can say we want reservation,
We
For
want
women
not
in
in
government, not in education.
but reservation is not only education. Reservation is all man.
Reservation. It is not about only about. It is not only about lower caste reservation.
Yes.
It is about reservation. It doesn't matter either woman or that particular caste. So no, you want that reservation should be needed to end, है ना? Then why don't you see that on earlier time people face so many problems?
But on earlier time,
The
not
time had
now.
changed.
In this
Time
time is
changed.
no. In this time is always because in rural area, you can see that.
But in rural area,
No, not in education.
Today-
Then why reservation?
Today,
That's
Tell
why
me.
people are still really backward in education. That's why we all need it.
Give him
In
scholarship.
this time also, that's why we need more time to grow up.
Okay. Listen.
Take second. Give him special provision. Give him scholarship. Don't give him reservation. We are
Scholarship
also
is
struggling. They are also struggling.
Everyone
But-
is
but-
struggling, but,
but-
you are saying that they are getting the opportunity very easily.
but they are not
That's not the
belonging to
point.
education family. You can
Yes.
see they are not background is education family. Also is a struggle too much you. Too much
in
you.
this time,
We are
Understand?
also struggling.
Struggle, but is also too much struggle to education because they have not father education, no mother, not mother education. Because
But give him special provision. Give him scholarship. Don't give him reservation. That
I
is
have
my
a question.
point.
I have a question. You all are ready to take your ancestors what property, but you are not ready to take that fault what they have done in their past. That's not fair. You have to take it. If you have done that thing in past, you have to take it.
But
I am giving you an example. You think about a handicapped person. Handicapped person as a will have a you think school